Hello everyone, this is The Unspeakable at Interscapes Art Studios. This is my palette for today, golden heavy body acrylics mixed with Floetrol and a little bit of gloss medium. I'm going to paint over this painting, which I haven't posted yet, and I'm going to coat it with some very fluid golden magenta. Here is the pour cup. Here is the pour. Okay, that's about all I can do here. I'm done. A little pink. Okay, I think that is today's Christmas flower. Well, here it is dry. I obviously painted this in the pouring rain, and it was very lovely out. This is one of those paintings that can be hung in any direction. And that white color in the middle is actually silver, and it has a beautiful metallic sheen, and it could be a flower or a wreath. It's definitely a holiday painting. So thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't. Hit the like button, and I hope to see you in the next video.